Hello, Creative Crafty Lovely, and welcome to my channel. My name is Angelica, and I am here once again participating in the open collaboration Embellish With Us Wednesdays, hosted by Mariann of Mariann's Craft Corner and Rana of Lilo Crafts. The embellishments that I created for this week are mason jars. Now, I want to emphasize that this is not my original idea. I actually got the tutorial for working on these from Sandy, whose YouTube channel is Septeria18. The first items that I have right here are the two mason jars, and when you open them up, they are some cards. And what I did on both of these is I went in and I got some crepe paper, and this one is ruffled up with a flower and a gemmy in the center, and then it's got some gemmies right here. And then this one right here is also crepe paper, but this one's not ruffled up. This one actually is cut so that it is fringed. And then I have three little flowers right there with some gemmies. Right here I have some mason jar pockets, and I like the way these look. This is the shape of a mason, and then you just fold it over, and then here is the tag, and right here is just some crepe paper and a flower and some bling. As you can see, my theme is flowers and mason jars. And then here is the other one, and here is a flower and some bling. So that is that. And here are some smaller mason jars, and all of them do have a sentiment right here with some bling. And so I made a couple of these. This one says, "You are wonderful." Hello there. This one says, "Dream big." And then this one says, "Hello." And this one says, "Enjoy," and "You rock." I really enjoyed making all of these embellishments, and I do want to say that all of these were using 6x6 pieces of paper. And I will make sure to link all of the ladies that I mentioned in this video down in the description below, as well as for Sandy's tutorial. For more inspiring crafts, please follow the hashtag Embellish With Us Wednesdays and check out all of the wonderful videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I do hope that you have a beautiful day. Bye!